Hi there, magical friends. I'm Pinkamena Glitter Sparkle Twinkle, but you can call me Pinky. I'm a 6-year-old unicorn, and I live in the coziest, most colorful bedroom with my human friend Emma. Before I came here, I lived in a magical unicorn land called Rainbow Glades. It's a place where the rivers sparkle like diamonds and the skies are filled with rainbows. My magical unicorn horn is like a party hat that never comes off. I love everything magical, sparkly, and dreams that come true. Speaking of dreams, I always wish for new friends, and guess what? My wish came true. This week, I made a new friend. Meet Dino. He's a toy dinosaur just like me, but from the prehistoric world. Say hi, Dino.
Hi everyone. I love learning about our world with Pinky.
And this is Teddy. He's the bravest bear I know, always ready for an adventure in his pilot cap and scarf. Right, Teddy?
Ready for takeoff and fun times with Pinky and Dino.
We have the best times together in Emma's bedroom. It's like a little piece of Rainbow Glades here on Earth. We play, learn, and go on amazing adventures right from here. And the best part? I get to share these adventures with you. Every night when Emma goes to sleep, we explore dreamlands and make wishes on starlight. It's a time when magic feels extra sparkly and anything is possible. Our dreams take us to faraway lands, where we meet new friends and learn new things. So, get ready for fun, adventures, and a whole lot of magic. Join me, Pinky, and my friends on Pinky's Unicorn Vlogs. Let's make every day a sparkly adventure.
See you soon.
Remember, keep dreaming and sparkling. Bye-bye.